Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today's DIY is to prepare homemade kajal or gel eyeliner. DIY eyeliner is a great way to avoid harsh chemicals and customize the formula according to your preferences. You don't have to spend more money to buy expensive eyeliners, you can do it on your own. This is so cost effective. Making your own DIY products is so much fun. Let's get started. First we need to prepare the kohl powder. To make this kohl powder, take one diya or any steel container. Add any oil of your choice like castor, coconut, olive or almond oil. You can use ghee also. Here I am using castor oil. In that oil, soak 1 or 2 cotton threads and light it up. Keep the flame high to collect the kohl fast. If the flame is low, it will take more time to collect the kohl. Place 2 balls in both the sides. Make sure the height of the ball is not too high or not too low. Gently place a steel or copper plate on top. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Within 15 to 20 minutes, you will get the enough kohl to make gel eyeliner or kajal. You can collect the kohl easily with a spoon or spatula. If you want more kohl, then repeat the process. In another small bowl, take half tablespoon of beeswax pellets. You can adjust the consistency with beeswax pellets later also. As of now, I am taking half tablespoon of beeswax pellets and melting them using double boiler method. After melting, keep the flame on low and add kohl powder to the beeswax liquid. Stir well. Now, I am adding 1 teaspoon of shea butter to it. To adjust the consistency, again I am adding beeswax to it. Finally, adding 2 vitamin E capsules to it. Stir well until you get smooth and even consistency. Take any small container and carefully transfer the liquid to it. You have to do this process really fast before it solidifies. Once transferred, wait for 5 to 10 minutes. It has beeswax in it, so it will be ready within short time. As you can see, the eyeliner is so solid and you can use it now. You can use this eyeliner with any eyeliner brush. You can adjust the texture of this eyeliner by changing the quantity of ingredients used in it. As you can see, the eyeliner is so dark and easy to apply. Store this gel eyeliner in room temperature. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.